Hello everyone, my name is Faustina and today I'll be discussing the ethical considerations when using statistical analysis in real world decision making and how we can ensure those ethics are upheld in practice. Now, first of all, let's talk about the key ethical considerations. Here we're talking about privacy and confidentiality, meaning that it's critical to protect the personal data of individuals. Analysts should ensure that data is anonymized and stored securely, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Moving on to number two is the informed consent. People must be aware of how their data is being used and give permission overall for its use. This builds trust and respects individual autonomy. Now, bias and discrimination is what we're going to talk about next, meaning that statistical models can unintentionally reflect or amplify social biases. For example, this can lead to unfair decisions in hiring, policing, or lending. So it's important to identify and correct for bias in data and models. Then we have also transparency. The basically is about talking the methods, assumptions, and limitations of any statistical analysis should be communicated clearly. Misleading others intentionally or unintentionally can have serious real world consequences. And the last but not least, accountability. Analysts and decision makers must take the responsibility for how data is used and how decisions are made based on it. So, how can we ensure these are addressed in practice? We can implement regular audits to catch bias and errors. We can follow ethical guidelines like those from the American Statistical Association and ensure analysts receive proper training in ethics. It's also helpful to have oversight committees and promote transparency in how decisions are made. In the end, ethical statistics is not just about numbers, it's about people. If we approach analysis with fairness, responsibility, transparency, we can make better and more ethical decisions in any field. Thanks for watching. I'll be looking forward for your answer and feedback.